Kia ora. Hello. Walk this way for our Auckland. Tamaki Makaurau. The hidden lanes. The locals. The culture, crafts and art. The cool shops. The foodie spots. The rooftop bars. Stroll through a city kissed by two seas, shaped by Māori, open minds and volcanic energy. A city of food, fashion, coffee too. With expert advice, there's so much to do. Miles of style, yet wide open spaces, bird-filled trees in tucked away places. From downtown to uptown, you'll see more with us. Together we'll hop on the locals bus. So leave the maps, the apps and big groups behind and find your feet with our friendly guides. Walk this way into Auckland's heart. With Aucky Walky Tours, there's no better place to start.